I picture it like full of dirty people getting into their like outfits, like overalls and a t-shirt, like dark and like there's like a lot of people.
Loud, noisy, destructive, sweaty as well.
This isn't the 1950s anymore, and this is not your grandparents' factory floor. Manufacturing facilities like Marquardt are cleaner, more efficient, and more high-tech than ever. Modern manufacturing facilities follow the highest standards when it comes to environmental, health, and safety laws. Our managers at Marquardt joke, "Our facility is so clean you could eat off the production floor."
Sometimes they get bored doing the same thing all over again.
I think people will do the same things like over and over again every day and just kind of like are stuck with the same types of jobs.
Manufacturing is on the cutting edge of today's newest technologies and innovations, including robotics, software engineering, and 3D printing, just to name a few. Today, there are more manufacturing jobs available than there are skilled workers to fill them. There's a huge need for workers skilled in mathematics, technology, and with advanced technical training.
I feel like it's a dying industry right now, which really sucks because there's a lot of people that work really hard in what they do, and now that technology is getting so advanced that you just have like robots instead of like having like man-made stuff.
This is not a dying industry. In fact, the opposite is true. The development of new technologies creates the need for new positions. While it is true that robots are changing the way manufacturing works, it doesn't always mean replacing workers. People are still needed to build and maintain the robots, monitor them, and troubleshoot if things go wrong.
Would you want to work in manufacturing?
No, I don't think so. Because I don't know anything about manufacturing.
No, I would not want to work in manufacturing.
Manufacturing sometimes gets a bad rep. However, there is so much room for growth within this industry. While working on an assembly line is one career path you can pursue, there is so much more. From research and design, to product testing, to program management and sales. Many manufacturers, including Marquardt, even offer paid training and apprenticeships.